Man, I can't believe we actually did it. The rooms are done and it's time for the big reveal.
I think we're both a bit nervous to show each other, but let's do it.
Yep. Alright guys, we are seconds away from reveal. Gotta say, I'm pretty nervous to show Lani the room, but I'm mostly excited. Nervous because, like, I put this together, but excited. I think she's gonna love it. It's definitely out of my comfort zone, and it would be 100% out of hers as well.
Okay, I just have a couple more things that I want to put in place to finish setting up the room, but I think it is looking so good, and I can't wait for you to see the final reveal. I can't wait for Azzy to see the final reveal. I am a little bit nervous about what he's gonna think, but I feel like he's gonna love it. He's gonna have his mind blown.
Alright guys.
Come have a look yet.
No! Chill! Alright guys, so it is reveal day today. So I'm gonna get Lani to come and see the room, and I'm very excited for her to see it. Lani!
Yeah.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, stay there, stay there. I wanna bring her in.
I'm scared. Oh, I feel a rug. Can you put a rug in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
No, I'm not ready.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, babe!
You like it?
You did so good!
Yeah?
Oh my god!
It looks like an actual room, eh?
This looks so good! That feature will look so good.
What do you reckon about the colour? Because I was nervous to show you the colour.
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I love it. Oh my gosh, and the pillows, they go with it?
Yep.
Oh.
Hey, success.
Time for you to come see my room.
Let's go.
Right.
Yep. Okay, I can feel.
Corner, start open.
Oh my god!
Do you like it?
This is so good.
Yeah.
That feature wall looks amazing.
Yeah.
And those lights. This looks so nice. I think green's in it at the moment too. Man, it looks so good. And this colour?
Does it look cozy?
Yeah, it does. It's always kind of been a colour that I've always wanted to try, but I've been a bit scared to try. I've always wondered if I'd like this colour. And it looks really good.
Yay.
You've done such a good job.
Thank you.
This looks so good. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of our room transformations using the Wattyl ID quiz.
It looks so good. It honestly looks like so much better than I thought it was going to. And I am so happy that we did that. I'm so happy with the Colour ID that I got. It looks so freaking good.
It looks so good. And honestly, I was a bit skeptical at the start, like, because I was a bit scared to use such bold colours.
Me too.
But they really, really worked, as you can see. I mean, look at that.
To go and check the Wattyl Colour IDs out, honestly. It made my life so much easier when it came to putting the colours together, matching even the decorations to the colour palette. It was honestly a lifesaver.
I've said this a million times before, it is way better than just doing boring white. And even if I didn't, I probably would have chosen colours that didn't really go together. So it makes it easy. It's all got it on one palette and you just slap it on the walls and it looks good, even for average painters like ourselves.
Yeah.
Thank you, Wattyl.
Thank you so much, Wattyl. We appreciate you.